Hey, my name's Tom Thornton. I lead the compute group for Lantronix. We're here at Embedded World, and what we're showing here is our new Genio-based Open-M SOMs. These are the Genio 720 and 520. There's a new range of MediaTek SOMs from Lantronix, and what we're showing is the integration into our drone reference platform.
So is this big there?
That's the SOM there, yeah. That's the module there, based on the Genio 720.
And it has a built-in cellular?
It does not have built-in cellular, so it's the embedded compute platforms. What is integrated is the connectivity into the FLIR infrared camera, connectivity into the flight controller from Pixhawk, and the advantage of this is it brings all the compute together and enables drone OEMs to test new cases, get up and flying very, very rapidly, so they can test new use cases, whether it's inspection or surveillance of critical infrastructure or other assets like that.
What's the performance with the Genio 720 and how much you can use?
So it's a high performance platform. It comes with up to 10 TOPS AI processing, all in a low power package. So sub 10 watts, down as low as 4 watts for typical applications. So in a battery operating environment, that gives you extended operating time, which is key for a lot of these applications. Low thermal impact. So again, you can use in environments that are critical.
I guess in a drone, the biggest power consumption is flying.
Absolutely, yeah. The motors are a huge power consumption, and so anything you can do on the compute side to lower the additional power draw, but it still enable the compute
But what might be the percentage of the power draw of this compared to this? I don't know if that's okay that I asked this question, but I was just wondering, because maybe you can just boost the power like crazy because it's not going to change more than a couple of minutes of flight time.
No, it will do. So, if you're in a sub 10 watt power envelope, you can get a 45 to even an hour's long flight time out of a battery. If you're going up to a higher power compute, 20 watts, 30 watts, 40 watts, which you'll typically get on a higher power compute, you drastically reduce the the flight time for a drone. You could be sub half an hour, 20 minutes flight time even. So it's a significant contributor. So anything you can do on the compute to lower that power draw is very relevant and useful for the OEMs.
Is it okay if I ask what a drone like this could do compared to a basic $1,000 DJI drone or something like that?
So this is very comparable. Obviously DJI is limited now in the political world, so these are replacements for those, but they're adding more compute. The integration with the infrared camera is not something you'll typically see on a DJI type camera. It enables the local OEMs in each region to develop their cameras.
And what would be the choice, 720 or 520?
The main difference is the number of cameras. So 720 has 2 ISPs, the 520 has a single ISP. Same level of compute, just reduced number of cameras that can be supported. So.
And how good are the autonomous features on these drones? Can you just let them go and it's just super stable?
Absolutely. A lot of these are designed exactly for that, so that not so much it can operate on its own, but one operator can operate multiple drones. You can instruct a drone to fly to a destination and then go and operate a different drone. When it gets there, the operator can take over and do the detailed inspection while the second, third, multiple drones are en route to their targets.
Is the battery goes down here?
It varies depending on, it can do. It depends on the OEM making the drone. Each OEM will package the drone differently.
Have anyone done what I've been hoping for, like autonomous drone battery swap, so you can just fly forever?
Not so much the battery swap, but there are companies out there that will do wireless power charging, so you can charge the drone while it's still flying.
For half an hour, while it's flying? Well, how? You just float on top of the charger?
Yeah, but over hundreds of meters. So yeah.
Oh.